Yep. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yeah, man, good morning to my friends and enemies. Yeah, on the voice of Bed Miller. Yes, I had. Yes, yeah, man, the time is so overcast. Yeah, man, we're in a drizzle and a but me have to make a speech now. Yes. So me separate the pictures them. Yeah, man, so me separate. So I don't want Suku Blackout, you know. I don't want Michael Manley and Beverly Manley Blackout, you know. Me deal with content right now, I can't really talk right now, yeah? Yeah, man, yeah, man. Yeah, man, deal with content. Eh? Yeah, man, so what me I say now? Yes, as what me say, is a topic more address. Yeah, man, Michael Manley Pitney in a seat. Yeah, man, and in a seat. And Soko. I got to address the matter right now. On the levels. Yes, because I say I go burn fire upon such man, you know. I go burn fire upon such man, you know, and Falmouth United, you know. Because such man and Falmouth United, you understand me? Nah go on good. Because they now make them voice be heard. Because in no way, Falmouth United should have played their home game at the Trelawney multi-purpose stadium today. Falmouth United will play them home games at Centa, the Trelawney multi-purpose stadium in the state at Duncan's. At this Duncan's go really play them game. Play them home game. You know see? Yeah man. A Falmouth United lack of organization. Yes. Because you hear me now, brother? Sure. You see me now? I have to make an advice to be to only speak up on certain issues. Alright, look behind me now. Look behind me. Look how Parkfield stay right now. Look how Parkfield stay right now. It take me 5 months. Because upon the 16th of September last year, you know, when I come on the field, you know, and start bonfire, you know, and come and say Michael Manley Pitney, you know. At that start the transformation of Park Playground right now, you know. And because of my speech. Yeah man. This little stammer boy who can speak fluent English. But I can't chat the patois. And my speech touched all quite reach overseas, reach England, reach all over the world. And see the disgraceful condition Parkfield did inner. I'm not turning the camera right now. Let's just relax. Pan yourself. So I advise my voice out from Parkfield, you know, and Parkfield kind of look away now. So kids can play upon the field. Yeah man, because yesterday it was so touching. Because I posted up the content on my thing this morning. When I see the Cuban youth. I don't know how young the Cuban youth is. When I see the local Cuban youth and the children of Falmouth that play upon Park Playground. You understand me? I go switch the argument, you know, because as I say, I burnt on them in the seat. I burnt on I don't want to call him, but everybody know him now as such man. You understand me? Only thing me I tell you now. You know see, a Centa, Falmouth United, to play them home matches in the tier 2. Yes, a Falmouth United, certain part of Centa, you know, a Falmouth United responsible for it, you know. Yes. And when you enter a competition, only if you get an act together and prepare the venue to host a home game. Can I go such man and Falmouth United organization? Because I know what really are going on. You want to know the history of the teams that are playing in the top league in Jamaica. The first team from Falmouth to play Premier League was Conquerors, but 1974. A Centa them played in home game. When Conquerors have man like Pinnock and Zai and Fite and the young S90, 1974. And the first time is the Cavaliers come now. When Leighton Duncan is the coach Cavaliers, them time there. Cavaliers play now white and black. Conquerors play Premier League 1974 because they can you see all the Craven book. The entire when Craven League did name with Conquerors team night. Conquerors played at Centa 1974. 1978 Village played their home matches at Centa. 1978 when they start bamboo when they put up the bamboo thing. Yeah man. One Centa for kinda so they can collect money. Village people them come together, compound people, everybody chip in and get and put up the bamboo fence. 1978 that. Because the tier 2 come like our come like Premier League, same you know. Like the second division Premier League, you got Premier League. I same thing. Team from out of town come and go. Family team play team from out of town. You see when Jeff and them, you see when and Billy say during the battles of Boycott and Village in the 80s. All of them battles take place at Centa. I believe when Boycott reached Premier League, I remember if they didn't use Centa, but they use Nip School. Yes. Yeah. So when Jeff took over Village United in the year 2001 and so forth, the year 2000 and, yeah man, but in the year 2000, 2001. Yeah man, I when Village win A-League and all them sitting there, I reach Premier League at Centa. Village play all of them match at Centa. You hear me? Village spent about 10 years in a Premier League, all the match in play at Centa. Yeah man. Because Jeff had them negotiate at them time the PMP when they won the place. And Jeff had them negotiate, get the place from almost a service and him man when big in the councils and him sitting there. So Jeff had them get the Centa and then get part of the pay for the football field. And Jeff had them start build up a stand man all them sitting there. Yeah man, Jeff and then Village United them time at them start the fencing on the football field and put up a section of the stands and so forth. And Jeff controlling part the fanning time there. At the hungry part, Falmouth United control right now. Falmouth United control no else. You understand me? At the same part of Jeff control, at that Falmouth United control. And then can maintain this. And such man stop talk about when they get lease. Kim and the man get no lease. Because Kim and the man don't get lease, Kim and the man do some different building over there. You understand me? Yes. Because we don't fight for Centa and the right and proper way. Because such man, when me they tell you say, the part of gauge are cut off. And talk about the parish council. You understand me? You see it? Yes. There's you have some pipeline with the other part there, you know. But the whole of the place did one alone. And such man, You come tell me say, where the cell tower there, where the cell tower there now? You say the part of the land of the parish council. On part of the land was the parish supposed to claim of the parish council at the part of the building dropping center. In a seat. And the whole of the land went joined together. The whole of the land did wall round. The whole perimeter of the wall them. From Victoria Street, yeah, man, the same street you cross from right there. From Victoria Street, lead past police station and from Rodney Street. From Rodney Street. In a seat. And down back to Stanley Street and back to Carnal Street. The whole place did wall round. For sports. So that's around time. So one time we have sporting activity over Centa, the people can collect money and make the money. The whole place did wall on for sports. The wall will have to build. The wall will have to build higher too. The wall will have to build higher because it's still too low. Because man just sit down on the wall out on Stanley Street. No, cross Victoria Street there. With the pound used today, with the police station side there. Man is just sit down on the wall and they watch ball games, same way. The wall will build higher. And such man, it grieves me no better. When too soft no better. When they make Gauge come take over the place, you know. Gauge come take over the place, you know. And such man tells the Gauge go build fowl farm upon the place. You as a Gauge can't build no fowl farm. You find the article and send it to you so you can read it. So such man, if Gauge can get people, corporate Jamaica, in the seat, they're supporting foolishness. Gauge they get Falmouth chickens. Falmouth chickens are the platinum sponsor, you know. Such man, you did read the article. Such man, we have to take up Falmouth United, they got stadium. Falmouth United play the match at Centa. If the people them can support Gauge to build Fowl Farm for the community center. People, he might get sponsor from corporate Jamaica. He might get sponsor from Sandals. He might get sponsor from Falmouth Chicken. And such man, who want to lead Falmouth United. You can't get sponsor to get 2 sheet apply and block off the part where we something blow down. Yeah man, the part of the wall blow down. The same part where Falmouth chickens having big old sign on the roadside there. When you can't check Falmouth chicken, we donate to employ go now and play around the place. And you can't get a couple of block and put back the part of him blow down cross hospital. The part of blow down pan. Yeah man, pan Stanley Street. The part near to hospital. In such man, we can galvanize and get, if Gauge can get people, and Gauge thing was well supported, for building Fowl Farm. Building Fowl Farm. On sit down there upon the horse. And I said, on another nothing. We're not going to run up and down, they want to try to get, because Jaja, you think me are going on, you see me now, I'm not going on much to up there now. Sorry people, I'm not going to live stream no much. And if you do go up there, later on, I'm glad that Duncans and really much I'm going to watch. One hurt when you can't make money at them situation there. Yes, the stadium a good place, you know. Listen to me, you know. I'm not against the stadium, the stadium a good place, you know. Got big up to Jerry, you know. But the stadium belongs at Duncans United alone for use. It's really multi-purpose stadium. And Falmouth United, we go fix up in the backyard. Fix up in the backyard. Fix up Centa properly. Get sponsorship. If Gauge can't get sponsorship for build Fowl Farm. For the youth center. In a seat. How much money, almost at 2.5 million, you know. Gauge them get, you know, and build Islemouth house, you know. Islemouth ain't one concrete house, you know. A concrete house, Islemouth get there, you know, shelter, you know. Islemouth alone live there, you know. Because I pass every morning, I see, you know, Because Falmouth don't full up on enough street people. And if you street people that Falmouth, the Falmouth people that feed them. Because Blackie guy in sister yard, every man will get food. Scallipop people and take care of Scallipop see me too. Yes. The few street people them, they are Falmouth, we can point them out. You see, straight man on my video the other day, little across from where I thought so, he no come from Falmouth. Such man and Falmouth united. One of them and straight and put on the ground to the public. When I take up Falmouth United at God Stadium. Stadium, big up to Duncan's United. Big up to Fabo. In a seat. And him behind Duncan's United. Falmouth United. When if you leave stadium alone. In a seat. And go fix up Centa. A shame on this girl. When I call up Kimani Marley name. And the youth want sponsorship. The youth can't spend all free money alone. Youth spending money in a 2020 and I fix up the place and then come the thing there. And the thing they set back Kimani Marley, you know. Youth have the heart for the thing. And stop calling up Kimani. Such man, where's Kimani Marley? You tell me that this is a Kimani Marley they come down. Kimani Marley which are yet? Kimani Marley which are yet? A whole upon the grounds if get sponsorship. If Gator can get sponsorship, he build full farm. Gator using 5K walk and collect money, because say he might get good support. Such man, you come like and read the article. You're going to talk about Gator can build full farm. I will send you the article if you read the article. I find out the article. From send the article, you know. You're going to labor right them stop harass me, you know. Them quiet because the article gone global. I'm not telling you, say, in a seat. We are Australia. My source. I forget about the article, you know. We are Australia, you know. You couldn't get about the article locally, you know. We are Australia. You send it to one lady. The virgin that sent me the article, I want Falmouth, man. You know everything about Falmouth. I think they want to come from me thing yet until I deal with certain cases. Such man, we send the article for you can see it. We said I want sister in the article. Because she say I lie me I tell Pangager. And we send the article. And couple of family member the article. If you make a sister full farmer come as Falmouth Center. Gator with this stupid idea. Only a madman, a man on vision can put full farm there so. And Gator getting corporate support from Falmouth Chickens. Platinum support from Falmouth Chickens. And Falmouth United, you can get support for build, we get 2 sheet apply and play up. And play up the place and play ball. That's the youth of Falmouth. That's compound pitting them. Race course pitting them. 14 pitting them. In the city. Grass piece pitting them. Freedom Street, that's one of Newton Street pitting them. Can't come to Falmouth footballer play a Centa. Because when the parents come much, they go carry the loved one them. And the girls them can't come watch football. Key one and girls they will always come support in a seat. And them girls they can come walk come in a Centa. What support you get 1 o'clock? 1 o'clock today. In the sun. What support you get up there? 1 o'clock, people they hustle, they got market and all them sitting there. We feed them family and all them things. You think people go get up, they got a stadium, 1 o'clock, go watch you know? And then people are now go support no side until if you now win. When they can walk come down a Centa, come play in a seat. In a seat, come play, come watch you know. Because when them hardly want pay come in. You think a man go take $1,000 now? Me wish you all in the seat. You think go take $1,000 now? Go pay go up so. Burn gas and all them sitting there. We're gonna walk a Centa and getting the support. Only have some good crop of players. Only have 2 good coaches. At least a 3 coaches enough. Yes. 3 coaches enough. We have some good crop of players. Zidane them, Mr. Hagaro, Me see Nip School, the best schoolboys defender in a 22. What the youth name for Copper Spain? We have some nice, only can reach Premier League, you know. But you don't want the crowd support. So they can collect money to play the ball as them. Because the boys don't want to play no football and they don't get no money. They might give them heart and soul. We have a man like a Fallen and them man there. Don't surprise if Anif catch a fever. Yes, I mean fly down. But such man, Brenton, they can't call. We don't know nothing at all. I mean, I tell you, man, I'm not even live stream no football game today. You see me done at 20 minutes began. I don't make it pass half an hour. When I done chat, I go wake up certain section so TJ can mark out the track. I do some waking. And Ewa, I don't buy no wake, you know, Ewa. I alone do go and do the waking, you know. Because you can't buy wake, because nobody now do no voluntary work again, Ewa. Nobody now do no voluntary work at Jamaica anywhere. You understand me? I pay money, people are different you. Pay money. So I don't buy them, me alone I go and wake, come I can't wake. So TJ can mark out the field. But you hear me? You see me done wake, come and wake. My plans, me alone plan to go to church this morning. And I change my mind. Because I don't feel no mood, church mood right now. Because I'm still vexed. Me vex. So all I go do, I done wake. By the time I have a sister in bumper. Bumper, they have a fish fryer or some cookout thing. A pot factory. So I'm going to support bumper thing. Right now, you better me go a bumper thing and go look for a bumper big old big old ass, big old body and go and yam some food a bumper thing. More than go sit down and watch Falmouth United, they play Petersfield today. I'm going to enjoy myself more than in any way there. Yes, bumper the girl are the big ass girl I work on. What I'm married. I'm a friend. I'm going to go support her thing. I'm left bumper thing. Probably might go watch Duncan's United and Reno. I'm in a live stream, right now, I don't know live. I want to sit down and cock up my foot in that. Stay them nice, you know. The children and the multiple stay them nice, you know. So I go, I left bumper thing, bumper, cook out. You know, I go take in Reno and Duncan's United. The children and the multi-purpose stadium at Duncan's United home ground. Duncan's organize them thing, get the venue, pay their money, and now we don't want to go, we don't want to run and go up there. Such man fix up Centa, brother. Get sponsorship and fix up Centa. And that's enough we do. Because the same place of Jeffrey White, the youth, and that alone don't have. And God to protect it because look how Gage will take over the whole place. Gage will take time to take over the whole land. Gage will come invade. Gage will fire in, brother. Gage don't know, I'm on the time if you interview Gage, I'm not going for the Gage none at all. Gage will hear my message them. Because the Labour rights must circle me thing all over the world. Then they permit case same way. I not interview Gage. But Gage are here in Falmouth. Gage don't know nothing about Falmouth people. If Gage don't know anything about Falmouth people, such man, Gage will know take a land and put drop-in center and build house with Isle out. You know see it? Because you see when I wish man in the past. I just see the man in the past, a couple man in the past. I mean worker man. You know see it? Worker man who at the shelter part. Who na Isle out yard back. Worker man. Yeah man. Go on the drop-in center and the drop-in center and the shelter. Go on the well cut. Go on the Isle yard back well cut. Yes. Because me a worker man walk there and my pants and I can't see one of the back part of the well cut. Gage are busy about them they busy about them part here. Highly mount yard gauge at the cut. Fal.Youth want in wall house. Fal.Youth getting wall house now. In $25 million wall house, Fal.Youth get. Fal.Youth getting $25 million wall house. 25 million. Big up yourself, Fal.Youth. Yeah, man. I want $25 million. Which much? With about 20 bed in there. So Fal.Youth can sleep on any bed they want to sleep on. Brenton and Falmouth United. No need for it. Sure. When they make Gator come battling up and took over the place. And it's such man, it grieve me, you know. It grieve me when you come talk about where the shelter where they belongs to parish council, you know. Such man, when the cell tower they build, I brought down the wall and build the cell tower. Brought down the wall and build the cell tower. And when Jeff of them and D White them, when the whites them around Village United, yeah, my cell tower put up. And parish council get about 200,000 a month. 200,000 a month. They might get in time there for the cell tower. How much money am I get now? How much money am I get now? In about 2,000. I don't know when the cell tower they put up, you know. But at 200 and something there. 200,000 a month. Parish council when I get for the cell tower. That's why it grieved me when Kimani Mali won the place 2020. And the man Kimani Mali in a dialogue. And the people in the country sell to me here, say, boy, who lease the property, then go pay the money give. Then go give the money to. And Kimani Mali say, no one on money for the sell tower. All he want of the Billy Sports Complex. In a seat. Billy Sports Complex, that the youth want. When you carry Kimani Mali cry on the streets to the public, and you such money sit down on your ass. Sit down on your ass, such on the Falmouth United, behind Falmouth United, when you carry no cry to the public, to the world, and make the world know, say, from about 2019, 2020, Kimani Mali did one build a sports complex on the Centa. Because Mr. God Wilkins to say the Kimani Mali plan. And the then government of Jamaica, this government here, refused to give Kimani Mali the land. Refused to lease the land to Kimani Mali so he can build a sports complex for the youths of Falmouth and the children environments. Yeah, you understand me? You know, see, because if Kimani Mali will get the property, get the lease from 2020, we have a sports complex where they almost complete right now. We don't have venue right now. Even Duncan's United that come down to Centa come play. Because they get more support from Falmouth people and people that come down to come watch the match traditionally. No such man. You sit down on your ass and talk about Gauge one parish council, one sell to this every parish council and where them bill. We don't have vice out. Me a boycott in a seat. You say, me nah when me go match look more at Duncan's United and we go watch. Me nah live stream no game still. Come on and come out and support Duncan's United. Because they need it, because when you live stream game, people want to come up in the yard and watch match. None of that. Because the quality of me I push out, a good quality, people can stay in the yard, but I don't do that. I want to come out and support Duncan's United. Because Duncan's United people go come out because for them at 3 o'clock. For them at 3 o'clock. So such man, get to the act together, brother. Get to the act together. I want to go to play all the match in my stadium. Eh? A stadium don't want to play all the matches them. And neglect Centa. Eh? I get you understand. I not want to, I can't believe. A man tell me what day I say, boy. Match inspector come down to come inspect the ground. To pass the ground, to play, to Falmouth home ground. And I see the man come down there. And the match inspector, the field inspector, I mean the field inspector, the man go on there, they check the venues them, the guns and so forth. I say the field, the man who can check the field the other day. We pass the field, we go on permission to play a center. When the man come down there, I say the man say, the field the man bright enough and no net not upon the goal post. No net upon the goal. No net never upon the goal. Man come there if you come examine the ground, and I say no net not upon the goal and the field the man bright enough. And that's why they not alone. I can't believe they're sitting there. Last year, a match there last year, field a cut, field a prepare. We no lose 3 points last year because field a prepare, match there, field a prepare. And now look for when down there the train. And you can't mark the field bright. And you can't put on net pan goal. Eh? Because nobody not thief no net. Such man. Back in the days, net the pan center. Net the pan center goal him. Nobody not thief no net. Because man can't come examine grounds and net the pan the goal him. I want Tony, brother. If you can't manage your thing, man, give it up to some people, brother. Give it up so people can. The thing is, if you run a football side right now, in a seat, a Fabo they run down Centa United. Anything Fabo touch, in a seat, a goal. Stop, go. In a seat, harass down Centa United, brother. Big up yourself, Jerry. Because you make the people them. I thought Jerry, the nip school coach, and you make people know say the same thing Dan Weber did say. The man that control Grace Kennedy say the children multi-purpose stadium can develop and multiple sports can play up there. And you make all say the children multi-purpose stadium what they say a waste of money, what boost in a boost goal in government, they say a waste of money for bill. And sit there now, at the children multi-purpose stadium I save the teams in my children right now. So they can get a decent venue for play upon. So such man, when you leave stadium to Centa United, brother, and come fix up Centa. Because who want to go, you know? But I take myself, they go stadium go watch Falmouth United. When I take myself stadium go watch Centa United, yes, not Falmouth United. Only come fix up on the backyard, brother. Fix up on the backyard. Because guns to prepare in a season and out of season. And when the season start, we not run up and down. Centa we keep and maintain. Because same place Jeffrey, because when Jeffrey used to run the place, used to run Village United, the same part what Falmouth United occupy, and the same part Jeffrey used to occupy. And for 10 years Jeffrey maintain it. In a season, out of season. And when the season start, we not run up and down. Look for when the wall and blow down. Look for the wall blow down. Falmouth chickens have been big outside out there. Link Falmouth chicken with some plyboard. And link corporate Jamaica so they want some plyboard. Understand me? And play around the place with plyboard until you can put up wall. Falmouth people will support you now. Enough man will come support you now. We get more support from the Falmouth people them. From the race course youth them in a seat. Yeah man. All about the place. Maca Village youth them. Newton Street youth them. Grass Peace all the way. When we get more support, play match at Centa. More than take up on yourself a stadium. Low stadium to Centa United, brother. That's why I'm not live stream game today. I don't wake up when I wake up. I don't wake up when I wake up. I bump a cook out me go. But now I'm some food. In the seat. And look and bump a big batty. I more enjoy that more than go watch you now. In a 1 o'clock sun against Petersfield. Yeah, me wishing all the best still, because I beside you know. Wishing all the best, but I boycott on the phone again. I don't want so now. When I come back to Centa, If I go watch Falmouth United, I must have Falmouth Centa, not the stadium. Not Trulani Multipurpose Stadium, Fal.Youth Center. Fal.Youth Center when man donate him land. You have to play sports, want to make Gage a bad upon and take over the land. And that if you stand up for such man. Stand up against Gage, because two over the stand up against Gage, because two over the fall farm can't build there. We need to put the things to the public. It take me 5 months to make park look so. 5 months it take me. I'm alone the voice out. I'm going to close by saying, me have plan to play Soko speech, you know. But we go play Soko speech because park, it about park. So as I said, 35 minutes, me gone 5 minutes extra time in a seat. Because I now make it reach 40 minutes. So as I see me wear him today. Soko and Michael Manley Pitney. Me feel comfortable here so because I just me call my name Michael Manley Pitney. Soko and Michael Manley Pitney. I sign out now. One love, one love, one love. Big up yourself, Kimani Marley. Big up yourself, Anita Bell Nevis. Yeah man, Kimani mother. Kimani love football. Kimani loves the sports. Kimani want to help the people. And some of them sell out Kimani in a seat. And no ball can play a Centa. No ball can play a Falmouth Centa. The Centa was Elixton Waitland donate give it. Organize it behind Falmouth United. If you pack up on yourself and come off a Gage land. Because you don't do nothing. You have a good playground and make Gage take away from you and not tell you a bag of crap. 36 minutes, 6 minutes, extra time gone. I now make it with 40 minutes here, brother. I have some working for good right now. Big up yourself. You understand me? So that I'm in speech right now. I do some work now. Because time cold, do some working and start to myself touch the road come on. One love, one love. Big up yourself, Soko. Yeah, my Michael Manley Pitney. I step it now. I step out of Babylon right now. Yes, I am. Yes, I am.